I breathe the stars into my chest, infinite light where love will rest. A temple built from quiet grace. With every beat I find my place. No chains of duty, no sacred war, just palms wide open forevermore. You are not separate, you are the flame, dancing in stillness without a name. Joy in my marrow, bliss in my bone. I walk this earth, yet I'm not alone. The sky bows down to every tree. Reverence blooms inside of me. Veins of gold and streams of peace. Each breath a blessing that will not cease. The sun becomes my inner guide. Its rays now whisper from deep inside. No guilt to shackle, no shame to hide. The soul's vast ocean, nothing denied. I laugh, I cry, I disappear, and find myself in what's most clear. I worship not in fear or plea, but in the rhythm of being free. A sacred pulse in every leaf, dissolving borders, melting grief. No one to follow, no steps to trace. Each moment I meet with soft embrace. The master smiles in every face. Truth is not fast, it's full of grace. Veins of reverence, rivers of light, flowing gently through the night. I bow not low, I rise, I sing, and let devotion spread its wing. Love is not clinging, nor is it pain. It's the perfume after quiet rain. The scent of truth, the touch of now. A forehead kissed, a sacred vow. There is no path